Good morning. Today we are going to see about concurrent triangles. Definition: two triangles are concurrent if all the corresponding sides and angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of the other triangle. Properties: yes means side. Concurrence rule: if all three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, the triangles are concurrent. Reason: AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to BR. Then del ABC concurrent to del PQR. Then going to second property. SAS, side, angle, side. If two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and the included angle of another triangle, then the triangles are concurrent. Reason: AB is equal to XY, angle BAC is equal to angle XYZ, AC is equal to XZ. Then del ABC is concurrent to del XYZ. Then going to third property. ASA means angle, side, angle. If two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of another triangle, then the triangles are concurrent. Reason: angle A is equal to angle P, AB is equal to PQ, angle B is equal to angle Q. Then del ABC is concurrent to del PQR. Then going to fourth property. AAS means angle, side. If two angles and a non-included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and corresponding side of another triangle, then triangles are concurrent. Reason: angle A is equal to angle M, angle B is equal to angle N, BC is equal to NO. Then triangle ABC is concurrent to triangle MNO. Then going to fifth property. RHS means right angle, hypotenuse and side. In right angle triangle, if the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and the corresponding side of another triangle, then the triangles are concurrent. Reason: angle ACP is equal to angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to PQ hypotenuse, AC is equal to PR one side. Then del ABC is concurrent to del PQR. Thank you.